Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling with stubborn belly fat, nagging back or joint pain, dull skin, or just want an easy way to support your wellness goals without expensive treatments or gym time, then get ready to glow because today we're reviewing the Viconor Red Light Therapy Belt. This flexible belt uses red and near-infrared LEDs to target fat cells, reduce inflammation, ease pain, and improve skin tone. With a comfortable wrap design, rechargeable battery for wireless use, digital controller for mode and timer settings, and multiple intensity levels for personalized sessions. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a therapy belt that's convenient for daily use at home, effective for body contouring and recovery, and simple to use while relaxing, this is the one that'll help you feel and look your best. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the Viconor Red Light Therapy Belt. This belt is made from soft, flexible fabric that wraps comfortably around your waist, back, or thighs with adjustable straps for a secure fit on most body sizes. It combines red and near-infrared LEDs that penetrate the skin to stimulate fat cells, boost circulation, reduce inflammation, and support collagen production for smoother skin. The built-in rechargeable battery gives you wireless freedom for multiple sessions per charge, and the digital controller lets you choose from several modes, adjust intensity, and set a timer from 10 to 30 minutes with auto shut-off for safety. It's lightweight and easy to wear while watching TV or reading, with a simple one-button operation once set. Cleaning is simple with a damp cloth, and it comes with a storage bag for travel. Setup is straightforward. Charge it, wrap it on, select your mode and time, and relax as the lights work. Priced around $50, it's affordable with solid build quality. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are therapy wins. Effective red and near-infrared light that helps reduce fat appearance, ease pain, and improve skin with consistent use. Comfortable, flexible design for easy daily wear. Wireless and rechargeable for freedom to move. Simple controller for personalized sessions. Multiple intensity levels for different needs. And affordable price compared to professional treatments. Users rave about reduced waist measurements, less joint discomfort, and how it fits effortlessly into busy wellness routines. On the cons side, results take consistent use over weeks to see full benefits. The belt may feel warm during longer sessions, battery life varies with intensity, and it's not a miracle fix for significant weight loss without diet and exercise. A few mentioned the straps can slip on very active movement, but overall, the pros dominate for at-home therapy. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the Viconor Red Light Therapy Belt if you want visible wellness support and the pros like convenience, comfort, and affordability make sense for you. It's perfect for busy professionals, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone seeking natural body and skin benefits without harsh methods. Before we wrap, if these reviews light up your wellness, hit subscribe for more gear guides and click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend chasing wellness, or subscribe for more. See you next time.